dumating na yung ating sewing machine. Mag-unbox tayo ng mabilis lang. Ayan, hello! Naglagay ako ng mic para mas marinig nyo kasi nanonood sila ng TV. Anyway, mag-quick unboxing tayo ng sewing machine na binili ko. So, excited na ako talaga dito. Anyway, but before that, mabilis lang din. Since dumating yung mga packages na pinamimili ko sa Old Navy, pati sa Amazon, isisingit ko na rin dito since nandito na rin. Sabay-sabay kasi sila dumating. Anyway, Old Navy muna. Mabilisan lang. Kasi maglalaba ako ng gamit ng twins para masabay ko na tong mga damit kasi nila yung binili ko kasi panibagong weather na tayo, 'di ba? Pa-winter na, fall, winter, so palamig na. Ito talagang parang laging malamig. So bumili lang ako sa kanila ng mga long sleeves. Say hi. Say hi. Dalawa-dalawa lang. So kung may nakita kayong ganitong pattern, dalawa lang din. Tapos, pang 4-year-old na yung binili ko. Magti-3 na pala sila sa Friday. Magti-3 years old na sila. Ang bilis, ano? Anyway, this is the first design. Dalawa-dalawa lang yan. Feeling ko medyo maluwag pa, pero pwede na yan. Tapos, pag denier to, mag-shrink pa yan. This one, si Amelia. Come here, Amelia, so they can see you. Let's move. There. Come here, come here. Stand up, anak, stand up. There. You wanna wear? We need to wash it first. Okay? Kasi it's still dirty. We need to wash it first. Yung isa, ay, baka masira, anak. Yung iba, puro plain lang. Para meron lang sila pang loob. Ayan, ito lahat. Ito set yata to na tatlo. Tatlo yung design niya. So, dalawang ganito yung binili ko. Tingnan nga natin yung quality. Maganda yung quality. You like it? You like it? You wanna stand here? Come here. Sisi will join us. You wanna join us? You wanna see this? You like it? Say hi first.
Hi.
You like it? But I think it's too big. Malaki ba? Parang
Heart.
heart. You're right. That's heart.
Heart.
Kasi pag 3 years old, pag saktong-sakto sayang eh. Kaya 4 na to. Sana naman di super luwag, pero baka pwede na to. Yan, puro plain lang. What are you saying? What are you saying? Hi, guys. What are you saying? You're so cute. Okay, ayan. Ito yung isa. Oh my gosh, no. Ay! Okay, pero pare-pareho lang yan. Lahat ng binili ko is halos... ito kay Noxie and kay Noah. Para meron silang sweatpants. Boys, sino kulang ng ganito? Si Noah, no? Yung mga...
This nine.
We need to wash it first. Socks. Bumili na ako ng socks nila. I don't open it.
That's it.
Just hold it like that. Okay, we need to wash it. And tapos ito, ay lang cute. Ayan,
That's it.
Super cute. Super cutie. Tapos ito, same din ito. Same lang kasi nga, pag may twins kayo, laging buy one, take one lagi. Kaya magastos sila pagkadamit. Ito, same din. Ganun lang ginagawa ko. Laging same. Meron din silang white socks.
That's it.
You like din white socks? Tsaka mga plain lang yung pinagbibili ko para madaling i-tear, no? Ayan. Laging dalawa. Yun itong color yung okay. Kasi, siya, madali siyang i-basic sa kahit ano nilang pants. Oh, go to Sisi daw. Go to Sisi. Okay. Busy na sila. Tapos, yung sa Amazon, nakalimutan ko na ano itong pinagbibili ko. Okay. First one is Mastela Baby Lotion. Ubus na yung lotion nila. Dahil ang bango-bango ng Baby Mastela na lotion. Ang kulit nilang dalawa. Ay, nako. Anyway, kulit. Next is, tawag dito, thread. Spool thread stand pag nagtatahi ako. Pag malaki yung sinulid na gagamitin or yung thread na gagamitin, ito yung stand niya. Tapos, ay, girls! Okay, next one is Vitamins Denox Enoa. Kids vitamins ng Amazon Basics. Alam niyo, tinanong ko si ChatGPT kung ano yung mas clean ingredients. Kung ito or yung lagi kong binibili sa kanila yon. Ito daw yung mas cleaner yung ingredients. So, tatry nila to ngayon. No, that's not shampoo. This is Baby Johnson's for your hair. Later, after you take a bath, okay? You're gonna use this. After nilang maligo, linalagyan ko sila ng leave-in conditioner. Pangalawang ganito na nila, yung isa, tinapon lahat. Prines nila. Yeah, vitamins for Noxie and for Noah. You also want? I think pwede rin kayo nito. Pero isa lang, one a day lang. And you also, okay? Hoy, be careful! You love each other lang, girls.
I like Sati.
Yeah, so anyway, ito yung leave-in. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi yung hair nila, di ba curly? And mabilis silang paano magsasalita ng ganito? Ay! Don't do that to Sisi! That's not nice. Mabilis yung mag-tangle. So, kailangan nila ng leave-in conditioner. And then, bumili ako nito, yung nipple replacement from Nook. Kasi yung mga nipple nila sa dede, kinakagat nila, lalaki na ng butas. So, ito yung replacement. And then, bumili ako si Peng pala nagpabili nito. Trim ng buhok, sa eyebrow, sa nose, yung mga dito. Ayan siya, pang lalaki. Ayan. So, kay Peng yan. And then, last na is, bumili ako nito. Ang tagal ko nang gumagamit nito, tapos nag-stop. Tapos ngayon ulit, bumili ako yung Purito na toner. Di ba nga na-share ko na lately, nagbe-breakout ako. Pero ngayon, medyo nagiging better na siya compared to the last few days. So, bumili ako nito kasi pang-repair to ng skin barrier. Pang-calm siya ng irritated na skin. So, bumili ulit ako. Okay itong Purito na to. Matagal ko na itong ginagamit eh. So, anyway, excited na ako sa sewing machine. Ilalagay ko lang lahat muna sa gilid para hindi siya mawala. Okay. Brand na binili ko is from Juki. Dahil ito yung isang brand na talagang heavy duty pagdating sa mga sewing machine. So, ito na yung binili ko. Actually, pinagpilian ko yung Janome or Juki. Pero mas nag-lean ako dito kasi mas, mas heavy duty siya. Mas nakaka-handle siya ng multiple fabrics or ng multiple layers ng fabric. Hindi siya nagsa-stop. Basta maano siya, yung what do you call this, kasi pag regular sewing machine lang, minsan nagsa-stuck yan pagka makapal yung tinatahi nyo. Wait nga, what's this? I know, that's mommy's! Yung model na binili ko from Juke, I'm not sure kung nakikita. HZL F300. Oh, shit. Para siyang may mga stapler. Ay! Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam. Sana tama tong ginagawa. Sana tama yung position ng box. Kasi may mga para siyang... Ayun. There. Yay! Hi! Lagay muna natin siya dito. Kasi mabigat. Kailangan ko siya iangat. 25 pounds kasi to. Wait lang ha. Hi! Oh my gosh, ang bigat. Hi! Ayan. Then, wala na naman nandito. So, hindi ko alam kung may laman to. Feeling ko wala. Parang sikip lang yata para hindi siya mag-move. Tapos, itatago ko yung box. Syempre, wait lang. I-close muna natin yung box. There you go. And then, ito na yung ating sewing machine. Excited na ako. Wow! May manual. Ito yung Tapos itong sewing machine pala na to, even if wala kang ganito, meron siyang automatic na start and stop. So kahit hindi mo dala yung pang ganito, pwede siya magtahi. So yun siya. And then, of course, tapos, let's open this. Ay, ang daming plastic. Yes! Sorry, gusto ko makita. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Excited na ako. Ayan lang naman yung unboxing natin, no. Sabi, I'm so excited gamitin. Actually, tinanggal ko na nga yung sewing machine na nakalagay dyan kasi pinost ko na siya sa marketplace para ibenta. Isa-set up ko lang sa table.
2,000 years later.
Hello! Post natin. Alam nyo, ang higpit na ng YouTube. So, ngayon yung second day ko, hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon sa school kasi syempre hindi naman talaga pwede. No, lalo na yung kids, hindi pwede. Pero itatry kong kumuha ng video clips ng kung ano yung itsura ng school. Yung school lang naman na hindi pwede yung students para makita nyo. So, anyway, may nag-comment sa akin sa last vlog na if kaya naman daw i-provide financially ni Peng, wag na raw akong hindi ko na kailangan mag-work. And yes, nag-agree naman talaga ako doon. More on, gusto ko lang talaga siya i-try in my life. Kasi, alam ko sa sarili ko and alam ko na mag-quit din ako na I just wanna try this out and okay lang naman yun basta part-time, hindi naman to full-time position. Gusto ko lang ma-feel kasi ayoko magkaroon ng what if sa buhay ko eventually na ano kayang feeling no kung trinay ko yun, yung ganun. Kasi kinuha ko tong job na to mainly para magkaroon ako ng life other than nasa bahay lang. Alam niyo yun, yung magka-breather, kumbaga parang time ko na din sa sarili ko sana. Pero nung nag-work ako, yung first day ko nga, napagod ako. Parang feeling ko, kung mag-work ako ng part-time na gusto ko talaga, dapat yung quiet lang. Gets nyo? Kasi hindi din, I'm still dealing with kids. Alam nyo, na-realize ko, actually, medyo matagal ko na naman talaga to na-realize. Hindi pa ako nagsa-start ng work, na-realize ko na to na baka hindi to maging break sa akin. Pero meron lang talaga akong question sa sarili ko and I'm that type of person na I wanted to try it before saying no. This is just a temporary phase and alam ko yun sa sarili ko. So ayun, gusto ko lang siya i-try. Nangangailangan sila ng help, so why not? Gusto ko lang siya talaga subukan. It's an experience and also I can also earn from the experience. So bakit hindi, diba? Yun lang. Naisip ko lang na sabihin siya. So, anyway, and may kwento pala ako sa inyo. Tomorrow, third birthday na ng twins. Ang bilis, 3 na sila. Sorry hindi ako nakatingin masyado sa camera kasi obviously, nagdadrive ako. Hindi ko nadala rin yung mic. Sabi, 3 years old na sila. Time flies so fast. Lalo na pag may anak ka. Oh my goodness, ang bilis talaga ng oras. So, tomorrow, alis kami. Alam ko, pipick upin ko ng maaga si Nax and si Noah sa school para makapasyal kami. Baka pumunta kami sa San Francisco. Meron dong parang aquarium na dadali namin yung twins na bukas siya tomorrow. So, yun ang ating lakad. Every time may nagbe-birthday na anak ko, nai-emo ako. Siguro hindi lang ako, no? Lahat ng nanay na pag nagbe-birthday yung anak nyo. Kasi it's also about the time na you gave birth to them. So, maalala mo yung time na nanganak ka, na alam niyo yun, yung moments na yun. Yung very special talaga yun. Anyway, ayun lang, ano lang muna tayo ha, magka-quiet tayo, magsa-sounds muna ako dito and then, tatry kong kumuha ng videos later sa school. Nandito na tayo sa school. Ayun siya. Just looking for parking. Ayun, may parking. Dito na lang tayo mag-park. Yan si ate. Hi kids! How are you today? What are you doing? Eating snacks? Hi!
The next day.
Yay! nasa San Francisco tayo ngayon.
I can't touch
Punta tayong aquarium para sa birthday ng Twins. Twins! Say hi!
Hi.
It's your birthday!
Hi.
Happy birthday, Twinsy! How old are you today? 3! Say hi, boys!
I slept in the car.
Yeah,
It's an
Noah
hour
slept in
drive.
the car. Let's go!
Oh, I the view.
So, okay yung weather ngayon. Malamig pero hindi siya sobrang lamig. Ayan. Ganda ng weather. Akala ko magiging super lamig kasi November na. Pero kaya pa naman yung lamig niya. Usually sobra talaga. Noah, let's go! Alam nyo, may nakikita na kami ni Peg na mga robot taxi. Yung mga taxi na wala ng driver.
Is that the place we were going after?
Yeah, let's wait for daddy muna. Let's go!
Pigeon. Hello, pigeon.
Hi, birdie!
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠なって勝手に決められて柔らかい汗をけると返事は求める
Hi, girls! Alam nyo pala yung bucket hat nila. Ako gumawa niyan. Matagal na. Buti na suot nila. O, kaso nagusot nga eh.
可愛いなって言うけど名前も知らんあんた
What's that?
Ice cream.
笑ってるふり上手みんな倒れ古い公園で Doll goes
Gusto niya yung
missing
cotton candy. Nawakin niyo asaw much?
and the world keeps twisting wrapped up in shades that are just
$6. Okay, let's buy one.
faces of
What color do you want? The pink one? O, kuha tayo isa. You want anything else, Kuya? That's it for now.
Yay. Noah, pigeon. Go.
You like this?
Aba, aba naman, aba naman. Aba naman. Aba naman. Pretty? How do you do pretty?
Oh, little.
Ah, there.
Fresh. Baba told me the
How old are you?
Twisting, wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces. Oh, don't shake, don't shake, don't shake.
Noah, come here. Noah, come here. Wait. Noah, come here.
Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend. Make me perfect. Close the case. Pose me right then. Hide your face. Tutunde, tutunde.
Got it. I left.
And give it to me.
It was still on.
Oh my gosh. Alam niyo, naiwan to doon. Ang layo, akala ko hindi ko na makukuha. Oh my gosh. Tumakbo kami ni Noah. Ito talaga si Noah. Iniwan eh. What will you say?
Daddy.
Oh my gosh. Alam niyo, yung una ko nasa utak. Yung mga clips, nakakahiya. May mga kapanood. Ay, naku, thank you Lord. Buti hindi na nahulog.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠なって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど so sorry. Shades that are just plain faces.
Yeah, what is that?
Let's play pretend. Make me
Nice, look at that, Anaya. Look at the Oh my gosh, ang laki. Ang laki. Ang ingay mo. Stay there. I'll take a picture pa. Kain time. Dito tayo sa Baba Gump. Buti wala masyadong tao. Let's go, girls! Ay! Anaya, come here. Let's wait. Thank you. Look. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh.
Nice view. Sit here.
Grabe, nakakapagod as in. Tapos mali yata yung shoes na sinuot ko.
The kids need ito.
May ganitong heels. Hindi naman sobrang taas, pero may ganito. Ganyan. Ang sakit pa.
I want the kids' pizza.
Haba na nilakad lang. Yeah, babe, can I have wipes sa mouth? Ay, naku po. Oh my goodness.
Football.
Ang ganda dito. Yung view namin is, look.
Hi.
Di ba may babagamp na sa atin? Sa Pilipinas? So, alam ko nga. Meron. Grabe.
Traveling to your server, so welcome in. So in this box, we're going to find all the
this
drinks.
one?
We got souvenir glasses for the kids and for you guys. And you have a little tiny menu. And no,
For the kids menu, is it this one?
yes, right here.
Kids.
Here in the back. You need to choose one of this and one of this.
Okay,
Okay, so I'm
alright.
going to give you some minutes. and I'll be
Thank
back.
you. Yan yung Golden Gate Bridge, kuya. Did you see?
Where? There? Is that where we're going later?
Yeah, that's the Golden
Wait, we're
Gate.
going there?
No,
His birthday?
it's cold
Are
na
we?
eh. It's cold now when we go
I
there.
wanna go
You
there.
can see it from here.
I wanna go there.
Yummy. Let's put lemon pala muna
here,
dito.
here, here,
Lagyan
here.
natin ng lemon.
While you watch.
Baby, baka matapon yung soup.
Naxi, put this there.
Here's your soup. Ang laki naman ng broccoli nila. Pero andito na yung food. Ay! Shrimp, scampi, si Peng. Magsi-steak siya.
Where's mine? Where?
Sarap. Penging babe, veggies.
Go! Can I get me?
And then si Naxi, laging pizza. Si Noah, burger and fries.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変のやるリボン結んで可愛くして喋らん方が可愛いなって言うけど名前も知らんあの
Okay, so
Wait.
because I have a mother here, Anaya and Emilia. Amelia. Queen? Thank you. Is that okay? Congrats! We have three special birthdays today. My new friend Giaya is turning 18. My new friend Anaya is turning 3. And my new friend Amalia is turning 3. Can you come in with a round of applause, please? And can you come in with a beat?
At may dadaanan lang kasi sila Peng, matagal na nilang gustong, actually si Peng, hindi yung si Nax, gusto niyang bumili ng PS5. Tapos sabi ko sa marketplace na lang tumingin kasi mas mura. So ngayon meron kaming pupuntahan na nagbebenta ng PS5. Dadaanan lang namin, baka bumili na to sila. Tapos after, so bibili pa tayo ng game sa Target.
Oo, yung game talaga. Dito na si Chito.
Pauwi na tayo. Finally na pick up na yung PS5. Sino ba may birthday?
Yung twin, syempre.
Bakit pati ikaw meron?
Eh, syempre, kailangan, ano rin sila, palalaruin din natin sila ng PS5. Sa kanila talaga yan, para sa mga bata
Ay
naman.
nako, ayan o. Tapos bibili pa raw ng game sa sa Target.
Sa mga bata yan.
Pero may binigay na games. Ano yung binigay na games? Tatlo din
Soccer, wrestling, tsaka yung isa parang adventure game pang mga bata.
Parang mas maganda pala to kasi yung isa naming dapat bibilin, disc version. Ay, hindi. Yung isa naming bibilin digital. Yung slim siya na
Maliit lang.
hindi pwedeng maglagay ng physical, yung CD or yung disc na game. I-download mo lang lahat. So, yun yung dapat namin isang choice. Kaso ito yung binili namin kasi ito yung mas nagre-reply sa amin. Tapos, mas okay pala to yung pwedeng disc kasi pwede dalawa siyang option. Pwede mo siyang magamit na disc. Tapos pwede ka rin mag-download. Hindi ko kasi to alam. Dapat nga ito may alam eh.
Alam ko naman.
Hindi mo alam. Sabi mo yung disc lang na hindi ka pwede mag-download. Wala kasi nasabing pwede mag-download.
Dahil may account ka. Nakalimutan ko, pwede ka pala gagawa ka lang ng
O,
PlayStation
hindi mo
account.
sinabi kasi ang...
Nung nakita ko kanina,
Yung
sabi ko,
una, oh my
nga
gosh,
pala,
wait lang,
pwede
wait
pala
lang.
to.
Wait lang, oh my God. Nagpalit muna kami. Before ending this vlog, hindi kompleto ang birthday ng walang birthday gift. Bigyan na natin ang gift ng twins. Bumili lang ako ng very simple lang. Share na sila.
Ready?
Habang hindi pa marunong manghingi. Pero anyway, I know magugustuhan nila to. Pero simpleng gift lang.
We're gonna. Let's just.
Ay, Bella! Si Bella parang stuffed toy din, oh.
Okay.
Oh, so anyway, let's wait for Daddy. Daddy also wants to see. It's in there.
There's nothing in here, twinsies. It starts.
What do you think is the gift? Do you think it's Barbie? Barbie? Or do you think it's a doll?
Or do you think it's Play-Doh?
Do you think it's
Play-Doh
colors?
slime? Mama, don't say the real answer.
Yeah. Do
You
you
think
think
it's slime? Twinsies, that is your answer. Can I give you a big clue? You want to be pretty? What do you want? Well, it's something that makes you look more beautiful. That's dresses. Princess dresses.
Oh,
I mean, it makes you more beautiful, but with the face. Anaya, this is the only clue I'll give you.
Okay, how about you hug each other first? And say, happy birthday, Twinnie. Oh, hug each other first. Aww, how old are you today? How old are you? Three.
Twinsies hug each other and kiss each other.
Ay, sus naman, love. Say happy
Say,
birthday,
love you, Twinsies.
Sissy.
Happy birthday.
Oy, wait lang.
Here's your clue. You can't even Here's your present.
Let them open it!
Let them open
What's
it.
this? Makeup! Want me to open it? And I know we got makeup for you.
Ginagawa nyo parang mommy.
Naxi, show
Mommy is
them.
making them like mommy.
Okay, I can open it.
Can you open it?
I'll open it. I know how to.
Go, let them open it. Let them open it. Let them open it.
Pull it, Twitchy, pull it.
Let them figure it out.
I'll remove this so they can go check it.
Nail art?
You want me to? You want to do makeup on me?
Talagang pwedeng ano?
Oo. Non-toxic for kids.
Noah, no, what? Here are the little tools.
Ano yun?
Daddy, Daddy.
Oh my, ay babe. Parang na ano,
We're
tatakot ako
spoiling
dito
them.
ah.
Ano ba?
Spoiling
Arte.
them. Wow!
Oh my gosh. Ito pa. Ito,
What's
I
this?
think this one. I think you can also.
No, you
can
have to press
Yeah,
that.
you can
Yeah, press
open
it.
that.
Go, kuya. Oh my gosh, this
What's
is,
this?
I don't think. Akala ko naman laro-laro lang.
Hindi,
Baka
totoo.
matulog yung mga yun na naka-makeup.
Twinsies, want to do makeup on me? Daddy, I'll
Ako
look
na
like
nga.
a girl after this.
Yeah, I
No,
know.
I think-
Oh my gosh.
Can I see? Oh, I'm a girl. I know this.
Ang ginagawa ko. Hala!
Twins!
Oh my God.
New supplies. Can you do makeup? Forget about that old junk.
Daddy's not approved with this.
You can put it on your
No, wait, let's
eyes.
remove the sticker so they can play.
No, later.
Eyeshadow,
Tomorrow na kaya
eyeshadow.
Naku, magme-makeup yan ngayong gabi.
Powder. More powder.
And then you have a mirror here.
Mama, we can put this right now.
Can you remove the sticker so they can see
I got
themselves?
it.
Yeah,
Wala yan! Wala!
Yeah,
Meron
that's
nga.
watercolors.
Ay, meron nga.
Lahat of food safe, so...
Di naman ako doon sa food safe eh.
Oh no.
Oh, what
More on
about you?
nag-ano na sila. Nagsa-start na. Gusto ko nga muna masulit ang pagiging baby nila eh.
Mommy, no.
Mommy, look! I want nail polish!
What is mine? I put on my lips.
Yeah. Parang ako yung kinakabahan dito sa laruan na to.
Daddy, could we put makeup on you?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it actually works.
Mommy will do it to you!
Mommy, look what Daddy.
Look, do that with your hand!
Daddy.
Naku,
Purple
don't bite
nail
that.
polish.
I'm biting the tape.
Akin na. Gagawin ko na lang yung PS5. Tara boys, PS5 tayo.
Daddy, this is too girly.
Yeah, that's girly. Tara, boys, PS5 tayo.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Oh my
Let's put on your eyes.
gosh!
Come on.
Ang cute ni Kuya Noah!
Mommy, look at Amelia.
Amelia, can you
Can
show
you put
me your
another?
eyes?
Okay,
Amelia.
we're gonna need the lip
Ang
gloss.
arte. Hala.
Wait.
Amelia! Wow!
I did that to her. Mama, could you help me open this? Amelia. Mama.
Wait.